So guys, today I will show you Waterfall, Chympe Waterfall. Here I have my local guide, so continue watching and I'll show you the beautiful one. Now we are trekking in the forest, deep in the forest. This is a private road, shortcut road, as due to heavy rain the main road is damaged. Since it is a newly constructed road, the landslide, vehicle cannot go, so we take the shortcut through the jungle. So I will show you once I reach there. See you. Finally guys, we reached the destination. See, the water is blue. So I brought this torchlight because I reached here around 4:30. While going back I might be late, so I am prepared with torchlight.